Yeah, when I think about the best place to start, first thing that comes to mind is ensure that you've built a team of professionals around you who have developed surgery centers in the past. So what I mean by that is think of all the needs of facility management, whether a consultant needs to be getting involved early. Real estate is important, having a broker helping you, lender or equity partners, defining what that looks like. Of course, there's the design and build consultants and the equipment planning and supplying, legal advice, the list goes on. But the point is that partnering with an experienced team will absolutely streamline the process and then help avoid common pitfalls. So that's one of the first things that comes to mind. Another point is just be sure that you're spending sufficient time on due diligence to ensure that all details have been considered. You want to make sure that the proof of concept is complete in view of a successful launch, and then after launch, sustainable growth for the facility. So yeah, as thinking about where to start, those things come to mind really critically. You've got a good team and a good plan.